Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Morimoto Sealed5 LED headlight housing replacement. This universal 5x7 housing is a Biled ultra bright upgrade with switchback DRLs, flicker and error-free, plug-and-play assembly, and DOT approved. It's perfect for upgrading the headlights on your vehicle to take them to the next level of brightness and performance. This housing is DOT compliant, plug and play, and comes with a 5-year warranty. With a rated lifetime of 10,000 hours and low-high LED featuring 12x Nichia NCSW170C and a lens material made of UV-treated polycarbonate, you can trust that this housing is built to last and provide excellent lighting on the road. So if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's headlights, the Morimoto Sealed5 LED headlight housing replacement is the way to go. Be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this top-quality product. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.